Welcome to My Software Tutor and this Excel Basics quick tip. Today we're looking at a function called days, D-A-Y-S. And it's really useful because what it does is calculates the number of days between two dates. So you can imagine if you were in marketing, advertising, fulfillment, shipping, any of those areas or many others, this would probably be pretty useful. So here's how we do it. It's very simple. We're going to click on the box where we want the result to show up. We're going to start with an equal sign, which we do for any function in Excel. And we can just type in D-A-Y and we want days, D-A-Y-S, not day or date. Those are different functions. And it gives us a quick tip that says end date, comma, start date. So all I'm going to do is click on the end date. So it puts that cell reference in, E9 in this case, and a comma, and then start date. I'm going to click on that date, which is in cell D9, and close my parentheses and hit enter. And it tells me there's 189 days between the order date and ship date. Now, often the question comes up, do I have to do the later date, comma, the earlier date, or can I do it the other way around? The answer is yes, it works both ways. So let's go to the next row and type in equal D-A-Y and go to days, right? It automatically puts the open parenthesis in. I'm going to click on the first date, comma, the second date. And again, I'm going to close my parentheses and hit enter. And there you go. It gives me the number. It just puts a minus sign next to it. So depending on which order you go in, it will either give you a positive number or a negative number. It still gives you the right result. It's just a matter of which way you prefer to see your numbers. So that's days, the function days in Excel. Thanks for watching.